to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making pone, which is a Caribbean and Southern dessert that's like a sweet potato pie without the crust. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared.
First, I'm going to combine my brown sugar, melted butter, and molasses in a large bowl. To combine them, I'm using a wire whisk. You can also use a fork. Now that they're all mixed together, I'm going to add in my half and half vanilla extract and my eggs. Before I add in my eggs, I'm going to quickly scramble them with a fork. This will help them to combine better and faster with my other ingredients. I'm now going to whisk this until all my ingredients are mixed together. Next, I'm going to add in my cinnamon, ground ginger, nutmeg, orange zest, and orange juice. I'm going to whisk this until all my ingredients are combined. Now I'm going to add in my shredded sweet potatoes. I'm going to fold these into my ingredients using my rubber spatula until they're evenly spread throughout the mixture. Next, I'm going to pour my mixture into my baking pan. I'm using my rubber spatula to make sure it's evenly spread out. Now I'm going to put my pone into the oven. My oven's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My pone took 50 minutes to bake. When it's done, the potatoes will be very soft and look caramelized on top. Even though the potatoes start out shredded and still look that way on the top, the middle should be smooth. You can try putting a knife in the center, and if it goes in smooth and easy and comes out pretty clean, it should be done. At this point, your eggs will be fully cooked, so the only concern is making sure the potatoes are smooth as if you mashed them. Put it onto a cooling rack so it can cool. And my pone is done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy.